In this video, we will show the best face wipes for summer available to buy. At number 10. Origami So Soft Wet Wipes Pack. By cleansing, moisturizing, deodorizing and soothing your skin, they promote healthy and beautiful skin. These wipes with a pleasant fragrance make your skin clean and fresh on the go. At number 9. Zuci Wet Wipes helps remove dirt and excess oil from your face and neck. Leaves the skin breathing and gives a freshening feel. Simple and quick way to make you feel fresh when you're on the go. At number 8. Clea Face Wipes. Clea refreshing facial wipes are infused with the goodness of aloe vera and cucumber, which hydrates, soothes and softens your skin. At number 7. Tulips Refreshing Wet Wipes. The natural, gentle formulation instantly refreshes your skin and helps maintain the moisture balance. In addition to keeping your face hydrated, facial wipes are used to remove your makeup. At number 6. Beauty Formula's Argan Oil Wipes removes impurities to leave your skin feeling refreshed. Enriched with natural ingredients, facial wipes help cleanse your skin gently. At number 5. Ginni Cleansing and Makeup Remover Wipes. These instant cleanup wipes possess the goodness of natural aloe and glycerin to retain the moisture of the skin. Unclogs pores to help the skin feel refreshed. At number 4. Himalaya Moisturizing Aloe Vera Wipes. The natural, gentle formulation instantly refreshes your skin and helps maintain the moisture balance. In addition to keeping your face moisturized, it is a boon for those wearing makeup. At number 3. Bonjour Paris Coat Me Wet Wipes, available in refreshing flavor. These wipes are pH balanced. Formulated to cleanse your face and at the same maintain the acidity and moisture levels of the skin. At number 2. Ekan Aloe Face Cleaning Wet Wipes. Gentle cleansing wipes are specially formulated to be gentle enough for sensitive eye area. This alcohol-free formula cleanses while being gentle on the face. At number 1. Vega Wet Wipes Lemon and Mint, a mark of quality and care. Vega Wet Wipes are natural and biodegradable, made of viscose fibers from nature.